Hi everyone, welcome to Chatterjee Creation. Today I will show you a tutorial video titled How to make a landscape in collage medium without drawing. At first I have to collect some paper for my landscape. Let's make a tree. My tree is complete now. I have taken a sky color pastel paper size 22 cm by 18 cm for my landscape. The color of the paper will help me to make the sky so easily. After making an imaginary horizontal line, now I will make my land. I want to paste light greenish yellow color on the end of the field. I want to make a road through the field now. Now it is the time to paste my previously prepared tree. At the nearby field, I will apply relatively dark color. To break the horizontal line, I will apply 2 houses and some bushes there. I think the sky is asking for some variations in its shade. Let the road demand me 2 figures. So friends, this is my collage. If you like it, please go to the comment box and send a comment for me. I must reply. Next week, I will bring for you a brand new video. So, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.